If you're experiencing high ping while playing FIFA 24, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you enhance your connection and reduce ping. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Start by testing your internet speed using a reliable speed test website. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the recommended requirements for online gaming. Ideally, you should have at least 3 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload speed. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing latency and improving your overall gaming experience. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could interfere with your connection. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and make adjustments to optimize your connection. Enable quality of service so as to prioritize gaming traffic, and consider changing your DNS settings to faster DNS provider like Google DNS or OpenDNS. Step 5. Choose the right server. When playing FIFA 24, select a server that is geographically closer to your location. This can help reduce ping times and improve your connection stability during matches. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing FIFA 24. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.